What kind of crazy are you?
Hello, welcome back to Direschta. This is the first episode of a new series that I'm doing this season, and it's called w.w.w. at Direschta, which is short for working with Wwoofers in Direschta. And each episode will be the different Woofer groups. It could be like this first episode is all about, it's with Charles and Theo from France and everything they've done. For you, maybe it's a substitute for the English updates. For the Woofers, it's a memory forever that they can show to friends and family. And for me, it's a good way to say thank you to the Woofers for the beautiful work they do. So, yeah, I thought that's a couple of birds with one stone. Let's do it. So have fun with the first episode and getting to know Charles and Theo. The great lads, by the way.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you?
See, you need to put it on the black string so it's nice and tight. No, on the bottom, because otherwise they go underneath. What do you think? Is the fence going to be long enough to that tree? Hope so, yeah.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you?
So tell me about Charles.
Charles is a very good person. He's very fun to work with, always laughs, loves to play with the Stones and the Beatles, and he's a really good cook. Yeah, really fun guy, always in a great mood, motivating.
Michaela and Charles to be.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Now you know you're crazy. Well, what you gonna do? 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 What kind of crazy are you? 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 You could get all wonky, acting like a monkey. Just gotta keep it funky. You might come up with something new. If you're feeling idle, maybe you and I could ride a unicycle while playing a kazoo.
Posts that Michaela and Charles have decided to use anks for the dead wood fence.
Hit it. Well, if you've got odd behavior, then do yourself a favor. Just love your crazy flavor, let it all
Now tell me
shine
about
through.
Theo.
Theo is also a very fun guy. The two of them together just joke around, but Theo is always willing to lift the heavier rock or carry the bigger stick, and also do a lot of cooking when he wasn't so comfortable with it. So it was really great to see him push himself.
Don't let the straight and formal fool you that they are normal, because you know that they are all just crazy like you.
Yeah, yo, I was crazy as a baby and I never changed. Some people hide their crazy, I put mine on center stage. They used to scream, yo, you're making a scene, stop that. And now I rock hip-hop in a purple top hat. And they still screaming, now they scream, oh yeah. I hope I rock a show in Oz and you're all there. I'm a secret agent, acting normal is my alias, but I'm the craziest, far out like aliens.
What kind of crazy are you?
Claudia. How lucky are we from 1 to 10? We've got brilliant Wwoofers. We've just had the Swiss television here, and we've got a camping site that's coming. So how lucky are we, Claudia?
1,000.
So after 3 days of digging, it's getting harder with every shovel. Really is, and hotter, even though it's not that hot. But on the brighter side of things, we're making progress on terrace number 4. And look at the deadwood hedge, windbreak, definitely beautiful. And yeah, you can see what's going on.
Everywhere my friends are all around me, and it's my guess that they are with you too. If you wanna keep them being friendly, treat your friends as you'd like them to treat you.
Right, everybody, Asterix and Obelix. These guys, if they ever ask to turn up on your farm, say, do yourself a favour and say yes. It's definitely worth having them staying. Thank you very much. Thank you, Charles.
Thank you, Theo.
Thank you, Theo.
Thank you, Theo.
Thank you very, very much for being Wwoofers in Direschta. Hey, and these two guys, believe me, they've got an important role to play in this world.
Well, who are all these friends I hear you asking? Right now it feels like I am all alone.
Part of wooving here in Direschta is being part of a project. And your project, your little piece, Charles and Theo, the Concoilot camp is going to be a big part of the project. And all that's left to do, because honestly, I thank you, is to show the Concoilot camp from Terrace 1 all the way round to Terrace 4. So here we go, everybody, and thank you, Charles and Theo. All the best in life, and you're always welcome back. Always, whatever time of day, just turn up, all right?
My friends are always right there when you need them, making up this place that we call home. Well, let me introduce you to some of my good friends, and you may recognize them as someone whom you depend. Oh, there's the trees and the bees, the rivers, you and them and me. You'll find friends in unexpected places, plants, animals, and other people too. In real life more than in cyberspaces, and friends don't always look or think like you. To be a good friend, here are some things that you need: honesty and loyalty and all the
Well, if you
cups of
like
tea.
that and you would like to woof here in Direschta, go to woovingindependence.org. Go look for us and write me a mail. And otherwise, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. It helps, even helps feed the Wwoofers. If you leave a tip, a super like and a thanks, it will go towards feeding Wwoofers, I can guarantee you. So you're helping everyone. But yeah, just the fact that you got out of bed this morning and made the best of this day means the world's a better place. Thank you for being you. See you later, guys and girls, and whoever you are, wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Join the community, honestly. And they get great guys and they've done great work. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Bye bye guys.
Bye guys.